Hi there, and welcome to Tea Simply Explained with Natalia. If you love tea or you want to love it, but you are tired of strict rules and the only right way to drink it, well, this is the channel for you. I am Natalia and I really love tea. I started this channel to help you to find your own way to enjoy tea without pressure or perfectionism and with a lot of pleasure. On this channel, I'll share different ways to make and to enjoy tea. Some traditional methods, simple everyday hacks, and small experiments you can try at home with what you already have. The one thing that you will never hear from me is, "This is the only correct way to drink tea. Everything else is wrong." You will never hear this phrase from me. I honestly believe the main rule in tea is very simple. Your tea should taste good to you. Of course, you can find many rules like right water temperature or precise brewing time, special teaware. They can be very helpful and we will talk about them, but for me these rules, they are not a cage. They're more like guidelines. I'll show you different options, explain the logic behind them, and then you'll decide what works the best for you in your real life. With my tips, I hope you can slowly discover which teas you like, how you prefer to brew them, and what kind of tea rituals actually fit you. And a little bit about me. I have been living with a good tea for more than 15 years now. Well, like many people, I started with the simple tea bags, but step by step I moved to a loose leaf tea. I tried different styles of preparing tea and dived into various traditions and ended up with a small collection of tea that really makes me happy every day. There are more than 100 different types of tea there, but well, who counts? The big turning point for me was my first trip to Japan. That's when I realized that the delicious cup of tea can be a part of everyday life and not just something for a special occasion. Right now I live in Belgrade, Serbia. I worked in one of the first specialty tea shops here, and for the last few years I've been hosting tea events in 3 languages: Russian, English and Serbian. Well, I hope you hear a little bit of my accent. Or not a little bit, or a lot. Okay. In general, I love exploring different cultures through food and drinks and through tea, of course. And I really enjoy making complex things easy to understand. That's exactly why I'm starting this channel, to show that the tea is not mysterious or unreachable. There is a clear logic behind it, and once you see it, everything becomes much easier and much more fun. This channel is for you if you are curious about tea, but you don't want to feel like you are taking an exam every time you make a cup. Or maybe you already drink tea every day and you would like it to taste a little bit better. Maybe all these tea names, different tea types and strict rules feel confusing and a bit intimidating, so you want to know more about it. Or maybe you just want to find your own small daily ritual with tea that fits into your everyday life. If any of that sounds like you, well, you're in the right place. On this channel you'll see 3 main types of videos. First, there will be tea basics for everyday life, with practical tips like how to make tea with what you already have at home, how to avoid bitterness, how to choose tea that actually matches your taste, and so on. Second, we'll have tea theory simply explained. We'll talk about different types of tea, basic classifications, how the tea is made, and what makes tea from different regions unique. And third, we'll explore tea cultures around the world, how people enjoy tea and tea-like drinks in different places, like Japan, China, Europe, United States of America, Russia, India, Argentina with mate, and many others. In all these videos, the main idea is the same. There is no single correct way to enjoy tea. There are many paths, many styles, many smaller rituals, and you can choose the ones that feel right just for you. In the next videos, we'll start with the very basics. We'll dive a little bit into theory and then talk about how to make a good cup of tea at home and to avoid common mistakes like bitterness. If this approach to tea suits you, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you won't miss next video. And I would really love to hear from you in the comments. What is your relationship with tea right now? Do you already have favorite tea or are you still exploring? Thank you so much for being here and see you soon!